So let's graph x minus y equals 2. There are three methods that we can use in graphing. One is the table of values. So if we use the table of values, we can make use of three ordered pairs. So this will be your t chart x, y. For the table of values, you can simply assign three values for your x. We can put here, say 0, we can put 2, or maybe negative 2. And now that we have values for x, we can solve for y's. Yep. Let's do this quickly. If say your x is 0, then what's your y? We can solve for y using this equation here, x minus y equals 2. So if your x is 0, then that means we plug in 0 to x, right? So your x is now 0. 0 minus y is negative. Y equals 2. Divide both sides by -1, -1. Y is equal to -2. So when your x is 0, your y is -2. Let's have 2. What if your x, so what's your x here? It's 2, right? Your x is equal to 2. Then again, we solve for y using x minus y equals 2, which is our equation. So we plug in what value? We plug into 2x. Note that this is your x. So we plug into 2x. I plug into 2x. So now I have 2 minus y equals 2. Minus 2 here to solve for your y. Negative y equals 0. Divide both sides by -1. What's your y? 0. So we have 0 here. And then lastly, we solve for your y when x is equal to -2. So what if x is equal to -2? This -2 here is your x. We solve for your y. So again, using the equation x minus y equals 2, you have to plug in -2 to x. So that means your x is now -2. So that is plus 2 plus 2. We have negative y equals 2 plus 2, 4. So what is your y now? Divide by -1, y is -4. Therefore, when your x is -2, your y is -4. Okay? So what do we have here? This is our T chart now with ordered pair 0, -2, 2, 0, 2, -4. Let's plot this in our Cartesian plane. So first ordered pair 0, -2, where is that? It's in your y-axis. So when your x is 0, we don't have to move left, right. So our first point, 0, -2, is already right here. 0, -2. We move down 2 units. 2, 0, it's in the x-axis, right? So 2, your x. You move 2 units to the right. 1, 2, here. There's no movement up or down. How about -2, -4? Where is it? We move 2 units to the left. We have 1, 2, and then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are your 3 points, and we expect that these 3 points will form a straight line when we connect them. So again, the coordinates of this point here is 2, 0. This is 0, -2. and -2, -4. Connecting this 3 points will give us a straight line. It should be a straight line. If not a straight line, then something is wrong. And there you go. We have a straight line. And that's the graph of x minus y equals 2.